clouds over the night.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's nuts. Honestly, it kind of stays like this awesome for the majority of the drive. Or at
You're
least
very
on-
lucky. Your back
We're going
here
on a
Yeah.
is pretty awesome.
drive to the beach. We're gonna go and see sunset. This is where we're up to.
I think I just shit my pants.
Hi, Henry. Wakati. Sun is just setting. Ganviv is setting
No,
up.
I'm just gonna do it this time.
Setting up the bonfire for us. Happy, how's it going?
Woohoo!
Oh,
Really excited actually.
yeah.
I'm really ready. Yeah. And
Happy, why do you have your sunglasses on your head again?
Hair back.
Hi. Nice lighting.
Yeah.
Well, it's a bit spooky, but... So, we had our dinner. We're still having it.
we have so much dinner.
We have so much... We have s'mores coming up as well.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if I'm down for s'mores. So
Oh no, I'm really excited about s'mores.
what else do we do this one? Are you okay there, little one? Hello? Henry?
Oh yeah. I'm not the little one. He's the little one.
I don't know what's wrong with him, but he's laying down there. Yes. So, bonfire on the beach.
Then we'll get into the water.
This is actually on my bucket list.
Yeah, same.
Bonfire on the beach. I've never done it, and I've lived in California how long?
24?
24 years.
I
24
can't believe
years.
this is the first time we're
And
doing it.
first time, thanks to this boy. That would be my son.
Hey, let me pick my hat. I look silly.
It's not the first time it would look silly. Oh, there you go. Blow it out. God. You can't toast it anymore.
I have this technique.
Okay. It's been a lovely night. We're going to head home soon. And, oh, light is flickering on and off. And we end the night here. Bastu hitu.
How are you doing, Dan?
Good night. Hey guys, thank you for watching this week's vlog. Please subscribe by pressing the button in the middle and watch my previous vlogs. That will be there and there. And thanks for all your support. Bye.